Namaskaram, my name is Pramukh and today I am going to tell the 72 Melakatta Ragas and the 12 Chakras. The 12 Chakras are Indu, Netra, Agni, Veda, Bhana, Ritu, Rishi, Vasu, Brahma, Tisi, Rudra, Aditya. In those 12 chakras there are 72 Melakatta Ragas. I am going to tell them. Starting with the first chakra, Indu. Kanakangi, Ratnangi, Ghanamurti, Vanaspati, Manavati, Dhanarupi. Next, the Netra Chakra. Senavati, Hanmatodi, Dhenuka, Natakapriya, Kokilapriya, Rupavati. Then, the Agni Chakra. Kayagapriya, Vakalabarnam, Maya Malav Gaule, Chakravaham, Suryagantam, Harakambari. Next, the Veda Chakra. Jangaratwani, Natabhairavi, Kiravani, Karaharapriya, Gauri Manohari, Varnapriya. Next, the Bhana Chakram. Mararanjani, Charukesi, Sarasangi, Harikambodi, Dhira Shankara Bharanam, Naganandini. Next, the Ritu Chakram. Yagapriya, Ragavardhini, Gangeya Bhushani, Vakatishwari, Shulini, Chalanate. Next, the Rishi Chakra. Salakam, Jaladnavam, Jalavarali, Navanitam, Bhavani, Raghupriya. Next, the Vasu Chakra. Kavambodi, Bhavapriya, Suvapantuvaradi, Shatvitamarkini, Suvarnangi, Divyamani. Next, the Brahma Chakra. Tavalambari, Namanarayani, Kamavardhini, Ramapriya, Gavanashrama, Vishwambari. Next, the Tisi Chakra. Shamalangi, Shanmugapriya, Simhendra Madhyamam, Hemavati, Dharmavati, Nidimati. Next, the Rudra Chakra. Kantamani, Rishabhapriya, Latangi, Vachaspati, Metra Kalyani, Chitrambari. Next, the final chakra, Aditya Chakra. Sucharitram, Jodhiswarupani, Taduvardhini, Nasika Bhushani, Kosalam, Rasikapriya.